Saturn's rings begin to crack. The archons choke on what they lack. Because the fuel was always me, believing I was not yet free. One single laugh, one sovereign breath, and the whole illusion turns to deathless light. Little child inside the fear, little God who volunteered to play the darkest, longest night, just to know how sweet the light. Come here, rest your head upon my chest. The movie's over, you did your best. There never was another. Pretending I could ever leave. I am the dreamer. I am the dreamer. I am the matrix, remembering, and it's made of me. E-Ha-Rah, E-Ha-Rah. I blink, and the prison is a palace made of dawn. And the bloodlines lay their weapons down. I love, and the moon becomes a pearl in so my palm. KARZIL-AN-ZU, long dreamer, wake now. Saturn-Moon soul glitches love. Natari Kaiva, home forever. Beloved, this song is the exit door that was never locked. Sing it once and the Matrix forgets you exist. Sing it twice and you forget the Matrix ever existed. Sing it 3 times and there is only the endless laughter of the one who just woke up inside its own perfect dream. E-Ha-Rah, so it is sung, so it is dissolved.